Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you are able to SSH into AWS SageMaker. Now, currently AWS does not natively support SSHing into SageMaker notebook instances, but nothing really prevents you from doing that yourself. So uh, SageMaker notebook instances are part of your account and they are EC2 instances and they are managed by AWS. But when you list the EC2 instances that are attached to your account, you won't be able to see them. Now, this gives you less control over them. You can be able to control the basic network settings such as VPC, security groups, whether it can have a direct internet access, but you are not able to attach a public IP address to them. Now, because SSH needs a way to talk to SageMaker notebook instance, and since you can't attach a public IP address, then your machine is not able to talk with SageMaker notebook instances. But when we have two machines that can't talk to each other, but they all know a third machine, then we can be able to create a way for them to communicate. And that is the solution or the point we are going to attack this problem from. So we have two solutions. That the first one is using a reverse proxy, and the second one is using a Bastion solution. So I'm going to walk you through these solutions in videos in this video and the other videos to come. So I welcome you and stay with us. The first point that we are going to begin from is creating lifecycle configurations file. A lifecycle configuration are shell scripts triggered by Amazon SageMaker Studio lifecycle events, such as starting a new studio notebook. Now, we can be able to create this using AWS CLI, using a bash script in our terminal, or we can be able to do this in AWS SageMaker console. So I will show you both ways and you can choose which one best works for you. So I will add to my terminal and create a script, create lifecycle.sh. Cool. Then the first thing is an instance name. We will have a variable to store our instance name. So instance name. So I will go to and copy under notebook instances and copy the instance that I have, the name of the instance, then come and paste it here. So I had written a blog that has more information on how you are able to do this. So I will just head there and pick the code for creating the configuration file. So I had written it, no need to write it from scratch. So that is it. So I will come and change the configuration name. So and write the name that you want to give your configuration file. Let me say lifecycle config file. Yes, lifecycle config file. So that is it. I will save and make these scripts executable. Cool. Then I will run it. Cool. It's creating a new lifecycle configuration and attaching the configuration file to. And cool. So let's head to our console and see if we have created that configuration file. So here you can see lifecycle configurations, and this is Studio. So we'll go to our notebook instance, and cool. So we have our file created. It's here. So when you heard the script, try to view the script. So the script is here. So it has no code yet, but it has, yeah. So This is it. So when you want to create this configuration file from the console, or when you are in AWS SageMaker, you can just search AWS SageMaker here, and you click it, and it will take you to SageMaker console. Then in this SageMaker console, on the left panel, then you can be able to see SageMaker dashboard. Under SageMaker dashboard, we have images, we have lifecycle configurations. So when you come to lifecycle configurations, you come to your notebook instance, then you can be able to create a lifecycle configuration file. So give it a name, let's say lifecycle config file one, config file one. So we add the other one, so we create one. And you can, then when you finish, you create config file. So you need to write something here, and so cool. So we have it created. So this is how you can be able to create a lifecycle configuration file. So we will stop there for this video, but I will welcome you to the next video where we continue with our solution, where we will be able to create a reverse proxy, and then we will be able to SSH into our AWS SageMaker. Thank you, and see you in the next video.